Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our all-new 2019 Toyota Rav4. It's been completely redesigned inside and out. This one is in the super white exterior and it has the gray cloth interior. It's our base model, the LE front-wheel drive, and it's a 5-passenger, 4-door, small-size SUV. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto down on the driver's side, power locks, power adjustable mirrors. The driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. This is the interior lights for the dash, auto high beams. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 is standard on the Rav4. It's windshield wiper de-icer. And steering wheel is tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. Now, steering wheel cruise controls, and also part of Toyota Safety Sense, dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and lane tracing assist. Shortcut buttons are right here for the 4.2-inch multi-information display screen. So you have a digital speedometer, your distance to empty on the gas tank, your fuel economy, eco indicator, dynamic radar cruise control, strip info, settings and the sensitivity for the lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, the blind spot monitor switch, rear cross traffic alert, any messages. It has a 7-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system. It's also where your backup camera is. And the audio system now works with Apple CarPlay. And this is your home screen. So you can have 3 panels or 2 panels. You can customize what you want in each one. Climate control settings, including air conditioning. It has rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors. High and low settings for the heated front seats. There's traction control. Good charging station for your phone, USB and auxiliary ports. 12-volt accessory outlet. An 8-speed automatic transmission with the manual mode. Your park brake, the brake hold that allows you to take your foot off the brake when you're stopped at a stoplight. You have 3 different drive modes. You have the normal drive mode, and you have eco drive mode and sport mode. Dual cup holders, good sized glove box, rear view mirror, overhead sunglass storage, and your interior lights. They're 17-inch steel wheels with wheel covers. It's keyless entry. Has a combined fuel economy rating of 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers. It's better than previous years. Has a dual exhaust. Towing capacity is 1,500 pounds. You get 2 sets of mats, one for the summer, one for the winter. And the back seat has a 60-40 split if you need more room. It has power windows, cup holders in the doors, pocket on the back of the passenger seat. It has side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Rav4. There's anchor points for the child car seats. And you get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable and heated with the signal integrated lamps. It's an automatic LED headlight system with LED daytime running lights. And it has the new dynamic force engine. It's 2.5 liter 4-cylinder with 203 horsepower. Come see our lineup of our newly redesigned 2019 Toyota Rav4s at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.